Madhubani painting. You must have heard the name of this painting and you must have seen in someone's drawing room, railway station, art gallery and many public places. But do you know this thing that this painting too has a Dalit history? Yes, Dalit women are contributor of this painting. The painting originates from Bihar, especially the Mithila region of Bihar, and it has two types. One is Brahmani painting and the second is Harijani painting. Brahmani painting is painted by the women of upper caste, mostly Rajput, Kayast and Brahmin, and Harijani painting is mostly painted by Dusad women and somewhat Mallah women. But there are differences between these two paintings. The essence and genre varies. And how it varies? It varies in terms of picturization. When you see the painting which is called as Brahmani painting that has an essence of Hindu god and goddesses, you can see the picturization of Lord Ganesh, Parvati, Lord Shiva, Lord Ram and Sita. But in the context of Harijani painting, you can see the essence and genre of natural painting. It means that here you can see the picturization of nature, picturization of animals, you can see the plants, trees and the things which are related to the natural life. So these are the differences between these two paintings. And whenever you heard about the Madhubani painting, you often have been listen the name of the many paintings, many painters who belongs to the upper caste. We have this name of Mahasundari Devi, but many of you do not know the contribution of Dulari Devi, the contribution of Sita Devi. These are the Dalit women who have contributed a lot to the Madhubani painting, and with their contribution they have received the national awards as well as international awards. So whenever we trace the history of anything which is very folk in nature, which is very popular in nature, you must find out that what is the Dalit origin of any painting. So that's it for today's. Thank you. Jai Bhim.